money, and there lives my love. My love lies on him and cannot remove. It cannot remove for all that I have done, and I never will forget my love, Anarchy. For Anarchy he guarded his money and his pride. He'd entice any woman that e'er he saw. He'd entice any woman, and so he has done me, and I never will forget my love, Anarchy. Tom came before them, he's standing at the door, saying, Jeannie, you are trying the tricks of a fool. You care nothing for a man who cares so very much for thee. You must marry Lord Sultan and leave Anarchy. For Anarchy he guarded his belly, but a man, although he may be pretty, but where are his lands? For the Sultan's lands are broad, and his towers they run high. You must marry Lord Sultan and leave Anarchy. With Anarchy Gordon I beg for my bread before I marry Sultan. His gold to my head, with gold to my head and straight down to my knee, and I'll die if I don't get my love, Anarchy. And you who are my parents to church you may me bring, but unto Lord Sultan I'll never bear a son. To a son or a daughter I'll never bow my knee, and I'll die if I don't get my love, Anarchy. Jeannie was married, from church was brought home, when she and her maiden saw Mary day that Jeannie married was the day that Jeannie died, and the day that young Anarchy came home on that night. And then came her maidens all wringing of their hands, saying, "Oh, you've been so long, you've been so long on the sands, so long on the sands, so long upon the floods. They have married your Jeannie, and now she lies dead. You who are her maidens, come take me by the hand and lead me to the chamber where my love she lies in, and they kiss your cold lips till his heart had turned to stone, and he died in the chamber that his love she lies